bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí mo kẹ́ ìyá mo kẹ́ bàbá mo kẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n mo kẹ́ àbúrò. Àfi k'Ọlọ́run kó wa yọ.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ kálẹ́ kí lorúkọ ẹ Alimot Oyeleke láti Methodist ọmọ Methodist high school ọmọ yìí so ó ní òun bọ́ sọ́wọ́ àwọn ajínigbé tí wọn ọ̀dẹ kò mọ̀nà lé mọ́ kò mọ anything kò mọ nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe mọ́ bó ṣe wà yìí so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹni tó bá mọ ìyá ẹ̀ tàbí kẹ́ bàbá ẹ̀ àjọ I need the assistance àwọn family ọmọ yìí ó ń rìn káàkiri ni tó ló fi yà sí Ewuga la wà báyìí ní Ewuga community so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹni tó bá mọ ọmọ yìí Alimot Oyeleke so kàn bá wa pe nọ́mbà tá a máa fi sórí platform yìí sí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí t'Ọlọ́run Alimot Oyeleke lórúkọ ọmọ yìí so kò mọ anything mọ́ kò mọ kankan mọ́ so náà ń bọ́ sọ́wọ́ àwọn ajínigbé ni tí wọ́n gbé òun so ló fi ń rìn kiri làwa fi rí ní Ewuga láti rí báyìí so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ tó bá wà lára ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tán bá rí ọmọ yìí lórí platform yìí kàn jọ̀ọ́ kàn contact wa l'Ewuga so ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí t'Ọlọ́run ọkàn ń rìn kiri ni so a rí ní Ewuga báyìí ni Alimot Oyeleke ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àwọn tí ó bá mọ ìyá ọmọ yìí kí wọ́n bá wa contact wa sí Ewuga ní SCD Ewuga ẹ jọ̀ọ́ Alimot Oyeleke
ní ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn vigilante
ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ọmọ yóò mọ nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ń ṣe mọ́ bó ṣe wà yìí k'Ọlọ́run fún wa tó k'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká rí àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí t'Ọlọ́run.
nọ́mbà ẹ wo nọ́mbà school 2383.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ àkójúmọ́ ẹni ní ọjọ́ kẹrìndínlógún oṣù kẹfà 2025 àárọ̀ yìí la kófìrí àwọn bólà tó jẹ́ àwọn àbókí tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n dẹ̀ gun roof tọ́lọ́ ń kápá òrùlé tọ́ dẹ̀ ń gé àwọn roof yẹn tó ń gé kéékèèké tó ń squeeze ẹ̀ tó ń ṣe papọ̀ tó ń kó sínú inú àpò láti lọ tà ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó kàn dùn wá díẹ̀ ni pé àrí ẹnikẹ́ni múnú tó fi sá wọnú pápá so rúùfù yẹn ni mò ń ṣó báyìí fún yín fún gbogbo ilé àmọ̀gbà tá a máa ṣe lè dá o ilé kan náà lélẹ̀ náà wọ́n ti ka gbogbo yẹn tán pátápátá ilé tẹ́ ń wò yìí tí mo padà ń ṣó lẹ́lẹ́kejì yìí tò sí ara ilé ẹgbẹ́ méjì lọ́jọ́ wà tò sí ara lọ́jọ́ wà débi pé ilé tí mo wá padà tó ń ṣó yín tó yẹ pé ẹ̀rí páànù kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ̀rí alumínà kọ̀ọ̀kan lórí ẹ̀ yìí cream colour òun ni alumínà tó kàn sórí eléyìí nílò olóye ni o ìlò olóye ní ilé méjì wà o ní Áfíríkà ilé tí mo ń ṣó fún yìí wọ́n ti ṣe táìsì ẹ̀ wọ́n ti rẹ kódà wọ́n ti paint ẹ̀ ilẹ̀kùn ti wà ń bẹ̀ bọ́gláì ti wà ń bẹ̀ débi pé kọ́ndẹ̀ kó wá ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń súnmọ́ bẹ̀ kẹ́ lè rí dáadáa kẹ́ni yẹn kó kàn kó wá ni wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ ilé yẹn wọ́n sọ di oníhòhò wọ́n tú àṣírí ilé yẹn wọ́n tú síta ẹ ṣàtìrí táìsì wọ́n ti paint ẹ̀ o wọ́n ti ṣe sílẹ̀ abẹ́ o ẹ ṣàtìrí sílẹ̀ abẹ́ wọ́n ti kẹ́ni yẹn kó kó wá kó tó di pé wọ́n dẹ̀ tú wá yọ rúfin wọ́n yọ aluminium wọ́n yọ bọ́gláàrì gbogbo àlàáfíà lé wọn yọ kò sí àwọn méjì tó ń ṣe o àwọn bólà ni o àwọn àbókí tó ń lu gbangbangbangba káàkiri ni o tó bá wá sí àǹfààní eléyìí mọ́ kí ni nǹkan tó wá kù tó lè wà létúnṣe o ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbàárò o kéèyàn fi owó iyebíye fi ṣe ilé kó jẹ́ pé àwọn àbókí àwọn ọ̀tọ̀wárìnwá ló máa yọ wá lẹ́nu tó máa sọ iṣẹ́ tó ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́ni ṣe láàárọ̀ ọjọ́ tó dẹ̀ báyé ẹ̀jẹ̀ báyìí so bó ṣe nǹkan tá a rí ní àárín yẹn nìyẹn Ọlọ́run kó gbàdúrà gbogbo wa o so àwọn alumíọ̀ tó yọ ẹ náà lélẹ́yìí o ẹ ṣàtìrì tó dùn wá pé ààrẹ anybody mọ́ mú alumíọ̀ ló wà nínú ẹ̀ ló wà lẹ́lẹ́ ṣe bó ṣe skúzẹ̀ àwọn ilé tó ìkásílẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí o owó bówó lélẹ́yìí o ẹ ti rí owó bówó lélẹ́yìí o ẹ ti rí àdúrà àgbà o ẹ má yẹ ká san sí péye o ẹ dára fún wa.
multi-level marketing mo ti jìyà lórí kíní ìtọ́pọ̀ mọ́ pé mo ti sọ ń parẹ́ rí àmọ́ ń ò jẹ́ gbàgbé níṣẹ́ àmọ́ béèyàn bá rò gan so mọ́pọlọ lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan kan dúró nírònà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì láàárọ̀ kùtù tó so táìmù rùn bí okùn ajá ló wá wọ́ olúwa rẹ̀ mọ́ra tó ní wá jẹ́ ń fàṣírí owó níní náà jẹ́ ń fi hàn ọ́ ló wá gbé bébà bèlé jábá ìlú gbé lólúwa rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ olúwa rẹ̀ kà ló wá ní ẹ bó bá lè foyè báyìí bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó méèyàn méjì wá téèyàn méjì náà méèyàn méjì wá káwọn èèyàn méjì náà méèyàn méjì wá tí gbogbo rẹ̀ wá ń fẹ́ rẹpẹtẹ bí ìdí ọ̀dọ́ kọ tí gbogbo wọn sì fowó sí i nbò bá yá láìgbé láìsọ owó kàn mọ́ wọlé fólúwa rẹ̀ lólúwa rẹ̀ ó mọ gbáyìn bí ìrànú ṣúgà ẹ dákun sórí bẹ́ẹ̀ sà ẹ dáadó ń bẹ̀. àwọn ọmọ ayé òde òní bíi tèmi ẹjá wo nǹkan kan àwọn nǹkan mẹ́rin nǹkan lédè Yorùbá tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n jọra àwọn àmọ́ òǹkálukú ló níṣẹ́ tí ń jẹ́ ṣẹ́ra àwọn kìíní láṣà Yorùbá nǹkan là ń lò fún gbogbo wọn that is we use objects for all of them gbogbo wọn la sì fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ we use all of them to pass messages àmọ́ lọ́nà ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni àwọn nǹkan mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin rèé àrokò àlè ìtùfù àgà ẹjẹ́ àwò wọn àrokò mo ti sọ ń pa rẹ̀ dáadáa èyí ni pé ká mú nǹkan kan an object ká fi ránṣẹ́ sẹ́nìkan àmọ́ tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ là ń sọ we are passing a message fún bí àpẹẹrẹ ká mú ọ̀pẹ òyìnbó pineapple ká fi pàrokò sẹ́nìkan ìtàn wí ni pé bó ti wù kí gbogbo nǹkan kó burú tó ní ìsìn nǹkan ń bọ̀ wá dùn torí àwọn baba ńlá wa ní ọ̀pẹ òyìnbó fi dídùn sẹ́wà àmọ́ ẹ̀gùn tí ń bẹ lára rẹ̀ ó lé nírinwó eléyìí ń làrokò àlè nǹkan là ń lò fóònù náà we use an object as well àmọ́ bá a ṣe máa ń lò ní pé a wà gbé lórí nǹkan dúkìá wa nǹkan ìní wa that is we put it on our property tá a fẹ́ kẹ́lòmíì ò gbé àbí kó jí lọ níta wá ń wí ni pé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá lọ mú nǹkan tá a pa lèlé lórí ohun tó ń wó jìyà that serves as a deterrent eléyìí ò ní àlè ẹjá wá wo ìtòfò ẹrù ló náà it's equally an object wọ́n ní láyé àtijọ́ bọ́daràn kan bá ń bẹ láàrin ìlú àmọ́ tí wọ́n ti kìlọ̀ fún tí ọ̀gbọ́ ó láwọn àgbààgbà kan tí wọ́n máa ń ṣe wọn á wá di ẹrù kan gèlè mọ́ ìní ń pè ní ìtòfò wọn á wá lọ gbé iṣẹ́ ìkùnlé ọ̀daràn tá à ń wí nígbà táwọn agbèfọ́ba tí wọ́n bá ń kọjá lọ tí wọ́n bá ti lè rí kinní tí wọ́n gan ní rẹ̀ lẹ́ǹkùnlé ẹni tá à ń wí wọ́n ti mọ̀ pọ̀ daràn ni wọ́n wà sọná sínú ilé rẹ̀ àbí kí wọ́n mú jáde kí wọ́n fìyà jẹ ẹrù burúkú ni ìdí tí Yorùbá fi mọ́ ń pòwe pé ẹni tí ò bá ṣe nǹkan ìtòfò kò ní mọ̀ kí èsẹ̀ ìkùnlé lélẹ́yìn èyí ò ní pé bẹ́ẹ̀ yàn bá ṣe tí ọ̀dà kò ní mọ̀ fúra jù eléyìí ò ní ìtòfò Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ kí wọ́n di ẹrù ọ̀ràn sẹ́ǹkùnlé tiwa paríparí rẹ̀ ní àgà àmọ́ àgà eléyìí ó yàtọ̀ sí oṣù àgà ṣé mọ̀ pé ní èdè Yorùbá a máa ń ní àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ onípọ́nna tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ kan ó lè ní ju ìtumọ̀ kan lọ lára wọn ní àgà eléyìí tá à ń wí nǹkan lòun náà it's an object àmọ́ a máa ń fi ń pe àkíyèsí àwọn èèyàn sí nǹkan kan ni fún bí àpẹẹrẹ bóyá àwọn èèyàn máa ń gba wájú ilé wa kọjá àwa fẹ́ kí wọ́n sọ wájú ilé wa di ọ̀nà mọ́ àwa lè lọ mú bóyá aṣọ àbí máriwò ká wá ta síbi ọ̀nà pé a fẹ́ kí wọ́n gbabẹ̀ mọ́ apagànú a sọ pé apagà èyí tí gbogbo wa tiẹ̀ mọ̀ dáadáa ni pé bóyá ọkọ̀ bàjẹ́ àwa mú sí kọsùn a lọ gbé sẹ́yìn ọkọ̀ torí àwọn míì tí ń bọ̀ kí wọ́n lè mọ̀ pé nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àgà náà lélẹ́yìí o sẹ́rí pé Yorùbá dùn ẹ wò bẹ́ẹ̀ bá wá fẹ́ràn fọ́nrán yìí ẹ dákun ẹ bá ń tarí rẹ̀ sẹ̀ lómi èyí ò ní pé ẹ bá ń share àbí kẹ́ repost àkó àsìkò yìí.
Somebody came to my comment section and called me a happy slave abroad. Oh my God. I'm so happy to be the happy slave. You know why? I've practiced nursing in Nigeria for 12 good years. I was not able to afford to buy Corolla 2.2 or Camry 2.2. Which one? Camry 2.2. I could not afford to buy Camry 2.2 new as at then. Onya ka Chineke mere m amara, I came abroad. Just within 3 months of receiving salary, I was able to buy a Mercedes Benz. Nah, my brother, my sister, I'm so happy to be the happy slave. Abroad, I'm able to buy a house, 3 bedroom duplex on my own. Yeah, even it's mortgage, yes, I'm paying small. But Nigeria, we don't have the liberty, we don't have the opportunity to do that. No matter how hard you work in Nigeria, nobody recognizes your effort. Here, I'm well recognized as a mental health nurse. I'm well respected by the society, by the government, by my patients. In fact, in Nigeria, if you finish working, it's insult you receive as thank you. Here, if you finish working, they'll bring flour, they bring cake, they'll bring to appreciate you, to tell you thank you because they value you. They value your skill. Nigeria never valued my skill even for one day. If Nigeria become good tomorrow, I'll be one of those to return back to Nigeria to invest in Nigeria. I'm still proud of Nigeria. I'm happy that I'm in Nigeria. I love Nigeria even more than you that's calling me a happy slave. I'm a patriotic Nigerian. But my brother, my sister, I can no longer receive the shock. The shock. Is it the insecurity? Before I left Nigeria, I was almost having post-traumatic stress syndrome. Because every day, if you don't hear that there is bomb there, if you will not hear that 200 people died there, 1 million people died there, or they bombed this church, I'm tired of hearing such news. I'm happy with my peace of mind. Here, I'm getting money. I have peace of mind. I have all the resources I need. In fact, if I'm broke, government is happy to give me money as I'm talking to you. The other day, I received tax refund of about more than $5,000. Nigerian government, in fact, federal government of Nigeria is still owing me my first 28 days. First 28 days is money they pay you when you start working as a civil servant under federal government scheme. I worked in Nigeria under federal. They did not pay me my first 28 days. It's in my contract. It's in my offer letter. Till today. I served them for 12 years. They did not pay me my first 28 days till today. Oh my God. Yeah, I overpaid tax. They refunded me the balance. Nigeria, you will not even see the one you paid. Not to talk about them refunding, acknowledging that you even paid or even refunding you any. And you're calling me a happy, my brother. I'm so happy to be a happy slave. If I'm going out, I'm sure I'll come back. Nigeria, if you're going out, you're not sure of your return. My brother, if you don't have money for flight, you can't go on the road, you can't travel on the road. For what? Here, I can comfortably travel for 9 hours. I'm sure I'll be back. In fact, abroad, you don't tell anybody journey mess because your journey is already messy. Nigeria, anywhere you're going, you carry chaplet, you'll be praying rosary, you'll be kabashing. Abba, we are stressing God too much because we've refused to do the right thing. Our government have refused to help us. So, my brother, my sister, if you are in Nigeria, do not associate yourself with such people that have such mentality, that do not believe that abroad have something good to offer. It has a lot of good things to offer. A lot. Like a lot.
All right, so Nigerians, I want to show you something so that you understand what we are facing, right? Now, I didn't want to make this post because I don't want to cause panic within Nigerians, but the way the thing they go, with just few more states, will be completely, totally surrounded by the headsmen. Just few more states. So, when I need to understand how deep this insecurity don't finish this country. Do you understand? So, pay attention. Now, this is a diagram of the Nigerian map. On this diagram, you will notice some red circles. This diagram will show us the attack that Nigeria has suffered since 1997 to 2015 alone. Now, from the map, you will notice these red circles. These small circles represent the amount of people where we don't lose for those regions. The amounts, those small circles represent 0 to 30 persons. And the big circle represents 120 to 150 persons. Now, if you notice, these red circles, they across the whole Nigerian map, apart from one place. And that one place, now KB State. This was between 1997 to 2015. Now, only KB State, they no attack. But guess what? In present day, they don't attack Kebbi State multiple times. This news now, just this year alone, multiple times they have been attacked. That's number one. Now, let's quickly go to the kidnappings where it don't happen across the whole 36 states so that you can understand how messed up our security day and how surrounded we are. Now, if you notice this map again, this is a Nigerian map. You can notice this red. This one a kidnapping where don't happen between 2022 and 2023 alone. Just 2022, just in a space of 1 year. In a space of 1 year, so that you can understand. Now, look the map where you go see say states like Zamfara don't suffer over 700 persons were kidnapped. You go see Kaduna 690. But the one where you go notice we say all the states where they for our map between 1 year they kidnap person from there. So we are pretty much surrounded. Do you understand? Now let's come back to Benue State. This thing will happen for Benue State no start today. At all. 2018 alone, there was a mass burial in Benue. This protest where youth come protest now, they don't protest now before, they don't burn tire. Do you understand? So it not just start today. So this one go beyond just fights. It's not be fights. This not be say people they drag land. There's something going on. Now, this is how you know that there's something going on. Let me bring you to the map of Nigeria. And you will now see the place that have been affected. You see the area that have been affected. Then you notice that slowly, and just few places remain. They don't take over. Let's start with the northeast region. Yobe, Borno, Gombe, Adamawa, Taraba, Bauchi, all these places, herdsmen don't attack them. All this side for the northeast region, herdsmen don't attack them. Now let's go to the northwest region. Jigawa, Kano, Katsina, Kaduna, Zamfara, all these places. KB, all these places, they don't attack them. Now, these people don't they come down. They don't enter the northeast region, and they already don't dominate the northeast region because Plateau Jos, they see the attack up to today. Benue, they see the attack up to today. But guess Nasarawa, they see the attack up to today. Abuja, they don't attack. Niger State, they don't attack. Kwara, they don't attack. Kogi, few reports of attacking Kogi. They go down. From Benue State now, Benue State takes you to Enugu, and they have been attacking Enugu even just 2 days ago. Even as this Benue thing, the trend, they attack Enugu. So you see they don't come down now. They don't attack Enugu. Ebonyi State, they see the fights there. And there have been multiple attacks as well in Ebonyi State. Now, Cross River State, there's a video that came out 2 days ago. When Cross River people, they say Fulani must go. Abi herdsmen, but Fulani, they say Fulani must go, sha. Say that then they attack their people. Say they don't already carry out attack. You see, Abi? Do you understand? So they don't go Cross River. Now, very soon, after Cross River now, I didn't even talk, sir. Even Bayelsa, they don't enter Bayelsa. They don't knock Bayelsa. Edo people, they don't knock Edo states. So the states now where remain, where they never, Imo states have been accounts too. In Imo. Anambra states have also been attacked. In like 2021, 2022, they attacked Anambra, so they enter Anambra. Delta states, they never really get attacked like that. Edo State, they don't attack Edo State. Ondo State, they don't attack Ondo States. So the main states now where we say they never really get accounts, they never get scores. Now Lagos, Ogun, Oshun, Oyo. So you see the amount of states where remain, they don't even reach 7. So we are pretty much surrounded. Insecurity don't sink us deep. Like this, we are the mercies of herdsmen. So if we are not very, very careful, they could wipe us all clean. They are coming for us. They are coming for everyone. So when things like this happen, and they see a lot of youths, they talk, say, they don't fit come our states. May they try for here. They're there everywhere, bro. They are preparing for everybody. They never just come, but they come. So you have to really be vigilant. They are coming for all of us. You have to be vigilant. And there's nobody to protect us. Because apparently, it seems like, say, even government no feel really do much. So we need to join hands with the government by protecting ourselves. If you don't want to organize vigilantes, we want to organize vigilantes. Even if not all made, we want to make for the vigilantes, made a whole arm. Some people say, if they carry gun, now give all these communities, may they protect themselves. Say the communities, they'll go, they do highway robbery. They'll go, they buy people. Listen to me. If you calculate all the highway robbery where don't happen for this country, you know, reach one state where headsmen don't buy. I would rather say they get highway robbery. Say they stop you, they snatch your car, they carry your motor, go. Than these headsmen attack where they go on for Nigeria, where they'll go burn over 200 people alive, where they'll go do all these things, all these atrocities, all this barbaricness. I would rather say they snatch properties. So if you are scared, say, oh yeah, if they harm vigilantes, if they start with the let guns, if they do the problem, So Nigerians, we need to protect ourselves, else we will learn, and we will learn the hard way. Don't play. Don't play.
àfi kọ́lọ́run kókó wayọ̀ ó yà kó bójú ọjọ́ ṣeré mú kẹ́yìn ìyá mú kẹ́yìn bàbá mú kí ẹ̀gbọ́n mú kí àbúrò èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ṣó yọ lọ́dọ̀ títí náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè ayé ọpẹ́ á máa yọ fún wa o lórí ọmọ lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa òun láyé ọpẹ́ òun ló máa fi máa yọ ojú wo lẹ fi wò báwo lẹ ṣe rí àwa máa sọ àì máa pariwo yẹn ó ń gbọ́ o ẹ má sọ wípé hàn gbọ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ náà làwa náà a ní kó ìrẹ̀wẹ̀sì torí pé a mọ̀ wípé àní lọ́jọ́ kan ìjọ̀kan sẹ́ láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà sẹ́ oníkálukú ó máa dórúkọ bàbá ẹ̀ nítorí kò lè gbé wọn kò sí bó ṣe lè jẹ́ Nàìjíríà ò lè gbé àwọn tán ni gbogbo ìwọ tó bá dẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà ó yìí máa da Nàìjíríà ò tí ì ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ ni I'm pretty sure pé tí Nàìjíríà bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ wàá mọ nǹkan tó máa sọ mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pàkó bójú ọjọ́ ṣeré ẹ̀yin bàbá ẹ̀gbọ́n àti àbúrò èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ṣe yọ lọ́dọ̀ títí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè ayé ọpẹ́ á máa yọ fún wa lórí wa lórí ọmọ lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa òun láyé ọpẹ́ òun ló máa fi máa yọ fún wa ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa fi kọ́mẹ̀ntì tí yín náà sílẹ̀ ojú wo lẹ fi wò báwo lẹ ṣe rí sí God bless you one love bye for now.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.